Hi there, guys and gals. Good evening to each and every one of you. Check this out. Tomorrow will be tomorrow we'll be having this kind of show, a journey of discovery. Free admission, all Saturdays, Fridays, and Sundays of December. And there's the stage right there. So guys and girls, if you have time tomorrow, please be here in Santa Lucia Mall, Cainta, Rizal. Enjoy the fabulous, fantastic